In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meal plan in Notion, complete with a recipe book and a shopping list. This simple and effective tool will make meal planning a breeze. First things first, you'll want to head to your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, simply go to their website and log in. For those who already have an account, this should be a familiar process, much like logging into any of your favorite apps. Take a moment to appreciate the sleek and organized layout that Notion provides, as this will be your base for creating an efficient meal plan. Once you're logged in and on the Notion homepage, your next stop is the Marketplace. Think of the Marketplace as your digital library filled with endless templates and tools to streamline your workflow. Within the Marketplace, you'll find a search bar. This will be your best friend today. Go ahead and type in Meal Planner. Here, Notion's powerful search function will unearth a variety of pre-made templates crafted for meal planning. Take your time to browse through the options available. Each template can offer a different structure or feature set, so explore the possibilities and select one that resonates most with your style and needs. You'll find templates that range from simple weekly planning sheets to more detailed organizers, including sections for recipes and shopping lists. Perfect for turning meal prep into an enjoyable task rather than a chore. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, it's as easy as selecting it to incorporate into your workspace. These templates are fantastically customizable. This is where the magic happens. Add your personal touch by inputting your favorite recipes, weekly meal ideas, and go-to grocery items. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to move sections around and personalize the layout until it feels just right. Now, you have a workspace that not only reflects but enhances your meal planning routine. Take a moment to explore the recipe book included in many templates. This feature lets you conveniently store and organize all your culinary creations just a click away. And don't forget the integrated shopping list. It's the perfect tool to ensure you never forget an ingredient again. Simply input what you need and check off items while you're in the store, reducing stress and making shopping a seamless experience. Building a meal plan in Notion is not just about planning. It's about creating a system that simplifies your life and brings joy to planning meals for yourself or your loved ones. Thanks to Notion's intuitive design and robust features, meal planning transforms into a fun and rewarding task. Enjoy exploring the possibilities and happy meal planning.